Hey everyone, welcome back to my crypto trading bot journey. We are officially at the 2 week check-in. It is day 14 of my crypto trading bot journey. So lots happened since we last talked. Last time we talked, it was day 10. It was September 30th and crypto just turned positive after a week of trending down. For Bitcoin, we had just bounced off of the strong support of 40 to 42,000, and we were at, I believe, around 44 or 45,000 in our last video. So that was last Thursday, and on Friday we continued the positive momentum, and the market pretty much just went up the whole weekend. It is Monday, October 4th, and let's go ahead and just pull up CoinMarketCap. And as you can see, Bitcoin, we're on the, it's been Bitcoin is, we were at 44 last time we talked. We're on the door knocking at 50,000 once again. And pay attention to the 7-day percentage, but we're up 15% over the last, it says 7 days, but that's really over the last 4 days. On October 1st is when we turned up or turned around. Ethereum up 14%. Binance coins up 26%. Let's just go down a little bit. Solana's up 21%, but it's had a little pullback. It actually hit 180. So there's been a little pullback to 166, but 21% over the last 4 days. Pretty much every coin's been up a little bit. Doge is up 18%. Polkadot's a little bit at 11%. Luna had a big move. They went up 24%. But yeah, we pretty much, all coins pretty much went up. And looking at the Bitcoin chart, we could bring that up. Let's pull it up. Here's the 7-day. Let's pull up the 7-day. So here it is. This was the 29th. We started turning around on 9:30. And then we've just had this big green candle on October 1st, and it hasn't gone down since. And now we're at 48.49. So yeah, like I mentioned last week, we kept bouncing off of the $40,000 to $42,000 support, and I mentioned how I thought there was going to be a big move either way. So it looks like the big move was positive. And I'm no chartist or technical analyst, but it could be that 40,000 is our new floor. It looks like a lot of whales defended that zone. So if we ever get to that level again, I'll probably put in a little bit more money at that level, knowing that there's a lot of support there. But having said that, let's get into the bots. So here we are. Here's my first bot. As I mentioned, it's been running for 14 days. It's had an average daily return of 0.62%. It's done 1,036 transactions for a bot profit of $258, which corresponds to 8.65%. Our second bot right here, this was the previous Rocket bot, and it's been running for 7 days now, almost 8 days, for a daily return of 0.96%. It's made 1,522 transactions for a bot profit of $193, which is 6.74%. This bot is our disappointing bot. I regridded it last week, about 5 days ago, and it still only made 52 transactions for a $7 profit. And adding that to the profit before I regrid it, that's still only $14. We've been lucky in that the coin pair has gone up, so that's why it says a 10% return, but that's only because the coin pair went up, not because of the bot doing anything. The bot, it's only made 0.25% bot profit. This bot is the bot I added on October 1st. As you can see, it's been running for 3 days, 22 hours, about 4 days. And it's had an average daily return of 2.27%. It's made 686 transactions for a bot profit of $203, which is 6.80%. So yeah, let's take a look at the chart over here. It's pretty much gone crazy. Look at all this trading volume that it's done, going up and down. It had a big green candle. This was October 1st. Actually, I missed the first initial move, and then it went down a little bit. This one I got in, and it's just been wiggling up and down, but trending up all the way, and making a lot of wiggle profits in the process. So yeah, this is the new rocket rocket bot right here, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. If you see this on the disappointing bot range, what that means is it's out of the range. So I'll pull up the chart right here, and let's show this. So look at this. This is pretty much 4 days of transactions, and look, it's pretty much done nothing. Compare that to the last rocket bot. It's only made a handful of trades here, and the reason why it says out of range is, so this is the grid right here where the transactions, where it makes the trades with all these red lines. As you can see, there's no lines here, so it's out of range, meaning that there were no trades set up for this area. I can get it back in range by either regridding it, or there is a trailing down feature where it will take a little bit more funds and purchase more of the coin pair, and fill it at this level, and so it'll make trades at that level. And I may do that. We'll see. I'm still debating what I'm going to do with this bot. I might get rid of it and have it free up another spot, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the bots. Let's see. Here's our total profit and loss. Just a summary of what we just saw in the charts, but basically total bot profit of $661 for a 2-week return of 5.57%. Yeah, so that's pretty much the 2-week wrap up. And what I plan to make, the changes I plan to make today are add a new bot to fill in my 5th and last spot. I'm thinking about adding Solana. We saw that it pulled back a little, so I may do that, because it may be a good time to get in, because it had a nice big run up, but it pulled back a little bit. And like I mentioned, I'm going to give my disappointing bot a few more days, but it's been active for, I believe, 10 to 12 days, and it's only gained about $14 in bot profit. I may just hodl it offline and just stake the coin, and that will free up another spot. But yeah, I'm still debating. I'll give it a few more days to see what happens. But yeah, that's it. And for those that are wondering, if this is the first time you watching, I purchased a program where I learned about these bots. It's called The Plan by Dan Hollings. I was in beta group 2, which started in August. Beta group 3 was open for a few days, but it closed for new members last week. Unfortunately, they are not admitting any new members right now. Not sure when they will, but if you are interested in finding out when it opens back up, click the link below and I can email you when the program opens back up. And so before I forget, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I have created an Instagram account at Crypto Trading Bot Journey. I will be posting a lot of content there, so go ahead and follow that account. And if you are enjoying following along the journey, I'm glad to have you join me on my journey. And as always, fiat and gold is dead, crypto is the future, and the future is now. See you all in the next video.